into place. After that, the two arms are attached, the short counter jib in the back and the long working jib in the front. And here's the secret to its balance, the final step is adding the ballast. These are massive concrete counterweights that can exceed 60,000 pounds and are placed on the counter jib to keep the crane stable when it's lifting heavy loads. After installing the ropes and performing testing, the crane to 100% of its lifting capacity, it's ready to work. And the most mind-blowing part, this entire complex process, from a pile of parts to a fully constructed tower crane, can often be completed in less than a single